Hello, brothers and sisters. Hope everyone is doing fine. Would like to welcome you to our new weekly market outlook or weekly market analysis. As usually, we start on DXY. Looking forward on especially USD pairs. And before we start to analyze the USD pairs, we have to look first on dollar index to see the strength of the USD. Therefore, we could get the clear move, potential move on other USD pairs. Without wasting time, let's start on the weekly time frame. As you can see, the weekly is still bullish. And the last weekly candle, you can see here, let me put engulfing candle indicator. As you can see here, last week candle, it was a very strong bullish engulfing candle. Very strong. This green candle is a bullish engulfing candle, showing us that buyers have started to take control of the market in bullish wise. And you can see in trend wise, price is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. But we as supply and demand, higher highs and higher lows mean nothing if there is no removal of supply zone. So we have a clear structure, break of structures, that is breaking of previous highs and lows. Previous highs and creating new highs with new lows. So this indicating that we have a good trend, a strong trend on DXY, but not only that, we have a clear removal of supply zones on the left side. We have supply zone around these areas. This one here, we had a supply zone which has been removed by this level over here. This level removed the supply zone. Also, we had a supply zone around these areas here, which has been removed by this area of demand. And currently, the demand is in control. It is obvious in control, though the price did not touch around these areas, approximate line. Why? Because we have a strong areas of demand on the daily time frame, that which is nested on this daily, which is nested on this weekly time frame. We would see clearly on the daily time frame here over here. So in this particular time frame, which is daily time frame, we have daily demand, which is in control. This daily demand is nested on the weekly demand. So we probably say that we can generally say that the weekly demand in control and the daily demand in control, but not only in control, but the daily and the weekly, they are all in uptrend. So what to do now is to look for buying opportunities on this DXY on the lower time frames, especially for I usually use 4 hours as my entry time frame. Why? Because my levels are well respected, but not only that, I had a good risk reward ratio. Also, I don't have time to stay on the charts much longer because I have a lot of activities to do. So I use 4 hours to set and forget my trades. Therefore, I continue with my daily activities. So my bias on this DXY is bullish for the coming days or weeks. Is still bullish, so I'll be looking for buying opportunities on the dollar index. Let's see on the Euro USD, Euro dollar. Euro USD, let's watch it on the weekly time frame. We can see here on the weekly time frame we have a clear downtrend, same as DXY. We have also breakout of structures. We have higher, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, but price did not manage to come and test these levels here, this level of supply above here. Why? We can see it on the daily time frame. I think on the daily time frame we could see, but the DXY start to gain momentum, so there's no way out that Euro USD could come and test this level of supply here and drop. It's very rare for price to come and test these levels around here, these levels of supply. Instead, it will start falling around. It will start falling around this, around that area, around this area. So I'm expecting a bearish movement for EURUSD for the coming days and weeks. Bears to start kicking in and the price proceed with the downtrend. Also, this is the weekly time frame. Also, the monthly time frame is still supporting the weekly trend. See, we have enough room for price to reach at these areas. So on the monthly, also the trend is still down, so there's no way out of looking for buying opportunities. So if you are an intraday or swing trader, the high probability trades will be only for selling trades or looking for selling opportunities only, since the DXY is very strong bullish. So as you know that Euro USD is inversely proportional to is inversely correlated or correlation with DXY. So we expect that the DXY gain strength, that Euro USD becomes weak. Thus, we can see that Euro USD we have a bearish trend, or we are in a down trend. Same as to on the daily time frame. For those who are trading patterns, we can see here we have a clear triple top. This is that triple top around these areas. We have a triple top. So it's a nice area to look for selling opportunities around this area. So also the trend line is intact, is still intact. We have a trend line conference and the 20 EMA conference for those who are taking demand and the supply strategy. Another pair is GBPUSD. As for GBPUSD, also we have a clear break of structures. Though the daily is out of alignment, it is in bearish consolidation, but this does not mean that the trend is about to change to come to bullish. As you can see here on the weekly time frame, still the trend line is intact. The trend line is not yet taken out or broken. So we can take account of looking for selling opportunities only on this GBP USD. Also, the dollar is still strong, so the best opportunities or high probability trade would be selling opportunities. This is dollar, I mean GBP USD. Myself here, I'll be looking for selling opportunities on these lower time frame, especially on the 4 hours. This is, if price will manage to come and test these areas of supply, then I'll look for selling opportunities around these areas, or otherwise I will looking for sell opportunities on the brand new levels of supply. Another pair is AUDUSD. AUDUSD also same scenario. Weekly is still downtrend. The trend line is not yet broken. We are still downtrend. Also, we have a 20 EMA conference and trend line conference. So best opportunities are selling opportunities. On the daily time frame also, we are out of alignment. We are in a bullish consolidation. The price breaks solid the trend line around these areas, and the price consolidate away this area. You can see this is the candle that consolidate away after break of the bullish trend line. This was the trend line due to CP continuation. This continuation pattern, we have the first one, second one, and third one. So we were allowed, or we were able to connect this CP, and finally we could see this bearish engulfing candle break the trend line, and this one open and close it outside, but not also open and closes outside it, also consolidate away. So price creates a brand new area of supply here, and the price managed to come and test these areas, and now we have a strong momentum to the bearish side on the Aussie dollar. Another pair is ZUSD. We have a same scenario as for other dollar pairs. Here the best way is to look for selling opportunities on the lower time frames. As you can see here, I think here we have bearish trend line element measure here. Oh yeah, by very few micro pips, obvious 0.4 micro pips. So we have a bearish trend line here around these areas. This is a bearish trend line over here. Let us connect over here. This is a 4 hour. I think for our trend line over here. This is the daily trend line. So high probability trades will be looking for shorts or selling opportunities. Selling trades will be the high probability trades on ZD and ZD USDY. Dollar is strong. Another pair is USDCAD. We are out of alignment, the daily demand in control. So best way is to look for buying opportunities, and I think these areas of demand will be taken out and the price penetrate, come and test the new areas of demand that will remove these areas, this area of supply here, the daily supply, and the price continue to bullish since the dollar index is very strong. This is USDCAD, the daily time frame. The price is out of alignment. We are in a bearish consolidation. Probably on the 4-hour we would have a bullish trend over here. So this is a brand new area of demand. We'll be looking for buying opportunities in this 4 hours. Another pair is USDCHF. USDCHF, we have a brand new areas of demand. Also, we are in the uptrend. Obviously, this is like an uptrend, but I don't think so. But we'll be looking for buying opportunities for the coming week. Strong bullish engulfing candle, price break the trend line solidly, but did not manage to come and test brand new demand area of this around these areas. So we have a new bullish engulfing candle. Also, not only that, we have a bullish trend line. This shows that the bullish trend is about to be formed, and buyers are about to take control of the market. I think they have completely take control of the market. So the market now is for bulls on this particular pair, that is USDCHF. Another pair is USDJPY. USDJPY also I'll be looking for buying opportunities due to price action on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame in a bullish trend. Supply areas have been taken out. We have a brand new demand areas. Also here around these areas we have 20 EMA conference. So on the 4-hour we will be looking for buying opportunities. On here we have a brand new area of demand. So what I'll be looking for the next week is to see price came back to this area, test here is where I'll be looking for buys, and price proceed to push to the upside. This is USDJPY. Another pair is after USDJPY will be USDZAR. USDZAR, South African rand. Also, we are in a bullish trend. You can see here on the weekly time frame, weekly is up, is bullish. Brand new areas of demand have been created. Then supply areas have been removed. Also, we have a clean interchange zone around this area. In this interchange zone on the lower time frame, you could see we have a daily demand at this interchange zone. So let's see on the daily time frame where we are probably had a demand. Demand was almost in control. Yeah, let's see, maybe we could cover the whole weeks like this one or like this one, wherever. This is daily. Price was in out of alignment. Now price break the trend line and create brand new areas of demand, which is very strong area of demand around these areas. So the best way is to look for buying opportunities on this pair USDZAR. We have a clear demand in control, clear level of demand in control. So I'll be looking for buying opportunities at these areas when price manage to come and tap this area. This is where I'll be looking for buys, or otherwise wait for these areas of supply to be taken out. These areas of supply to be taken out before looking for buying opportunities on the USDZAR. So I'll keep waiting. Next week you have plenty of opportunities on most of USD pairs. So we should be careful on making our decision, and we should not hurry on taking trades unless we have a clear confirmation. So thank you for keep supporting us by liking our videos and commenting. Also keep sharing our videos for our channels. I will appreciate that. And Also, keep subscribing to our video. Do not forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment. Also, you may join to our Telegram channel. The link is below there. Link to our Telegram channel. You are warmly welcome. And our WhatsApp group. Thank you, and see you on the midweek market outlook this week on the Wednesday. Thank you, and have a nice trading week.